Hello Disney fam, I am Pauline the mermaid in Mouse and Mermaid, and I am coming at you today with our September pin tag. I cannot believe we've already made it past the halfway point. We started in March and it is already September. So let's dive into the questions today. Know that I'm going to tag some channels at the end, but if you're not tagged, feel free to do this pin tag yourself. I can't wait to see what awesome pins you come up with. So first up, as always, show us your favorite pin you acquired in the month of September. And I got this Loungefly Minnie Mouse pin. I believe I got it in September of 2018 through a Facebook pin trade. This is a beautiful Minnie Mouse from Loungefly. She has rose gold metal and has the rose gold bow, and it is super sparkly and beautiful. Loungefly has the best sparkly pins. I just love them. I am matching Minnie today. Next up, fall starts September 22nd. So show us your best fall pin. I selected this little teacup. It's more for coffee and other beverages that I love to have in the fall, specifically pumpkin spice beverages. Now, I am not a huge pumpkin spice latte fan. I have grown to like other delicious pumpkin beverages, and that is the pumpkin spice cold brew. I am hoping that is gonna be here for September because that is just so delicious. Obviously, I have them in a Starbucks cup, but if I could, I would have them in an awesome Disney mug or a little teacup. So this little teacup is from the Alice in Wonderland Teacup Ride in Walt Disney World. It's from the Kingdom of Cute set, and he is just a happy little teacup. Orange is also the perfect pumpkin spice color and a great color for fall. I can't wait to have my pumpkin spice cold brew. All right, who is going apple picking this month? Show us your best apple pin. So I actually do have an apple pin. It is a Snow White pin. And this Snow White pin features an apple with a bite out of it on her dress. This pin is from the Nesting Doll Mystery Pin Pack series. And I just think this whole collection is so cute, but specifically Snow White looks very traditional in the nesting doll style. I also can't wait to pick apples. I just love the fall. Next up, Libra is the zodiac sign this month. So show us a pin that makes you think of the sign Libra. So Libras, I looked up, are cooperative, diplomatic, gracious, fair, and social, but they also can be indecisive and afraid of confrontation. So another pin of this character, I have selected Snow White. I think she fits the bill of gracious, fair-minded, and social, and she's also very diplomatic with all of these 7 dwarves. So this pin is actually a pin from 2004. So one of the older pins that I own. It doesn't even have the traditional waffle back, which is really cool. And it is a beautiful Snow White pin. I just adore the colors in this. They're more of the pastel tones, which I really tend to lean towards in terms of pins. So there is our Libra Snow White. As the gemstone of the month, show us your best sapphire pin. So I don't have too many dark blue pins, but I did have one that featured a darker blue color, and that is Adrena, one of the Little Mermaid sisters. The back of her shell, as you can see, is a little bit deeper blue, not quite sapphire, but close. It is a hidden Mickey pin, 5 out of 5. I actually do have all 5 of these pins, and I just love them. So September certainly means back to school. Show us a pin of someone you think is gonna rock it this school year. I actually selected Rapunzel, and this pin has Rapunzel and Flynn Rider, but let's focus on Rapunzel. I think that she is smart, she reads books, but she's also creative and social. I think she's probably one of the most well-rounded princesses, so I think she would be very successful in school. Good in her classes, but also getting really involved in activities, and that's totally someone I think who rocks it in school. So this is actually from a couples series. I think it's a mystery pin set, and it features Flynn Rider and Rapunzel, and Rapunzel's hair has them tangled up all in love. Labor Day is September 7th, so show us a pin of someone who is very hardworking. And I think this is so obvious. Tiana, she is like one of the most hardworking Disney characters I know. Of course I'm gonna pick her. And this is a cameo pin of Tiana. I wanna say these were in a mystery pack, but it was from a while ago, so I'm not 100% sure. But she has some beautiful glitter detail in the background of this pin. I absolutely love this whole series, and I have a couple, but I need to collect them all. International Dot Day is on September 15th, so show us a Minnie pin. And I selected this Minnie Mouse bow. I love it. It is large and in charge and full of polka dots. So this Minnie pin features some beautiful glitter detail, and it is just so fun and spunky, just like Minnie. Did you know National Dance Day is September 19th? I want you to show me a pin that represents your ultimate Walt Disney World dance party. So I actually picked Shelly May because I would love to have a dance party with Duffy, Shelly May, and all of their friends. I just think they need to be in the Disney World parks and not just in the international parks. So here is little Shelly May. She is leaning to the side and has a cute little heart necklace on, and I just think she's so adorable. And this pin is from Shanghai Disney Resort. What do you guys think? Do you want to see more Duffy and Friends in Disney World? All right, our last question for September. World Tourism Day is on September 27th, so show us a pin from a Disney resort or park that you would love to visit. And I selected this pin. It's not actually from a specific resort or park, it's actually a Small World pin, but it represents the fact that I want to go to Aulani so bad. That would be, other than going to Disney World a million times over, Aulani is where I want to go to most right now. I certainly want to visit every single international park, but I feel like Aulani is within my grasp and I want to go so bad. So this pin representing Aulani is the little aloha guy from the Small World attraction, and this is from a mystery pin pack, a Small World pins. All right, and that's it for September. Now we gotta tag some people. So first up, I'm gonna tag Sarah and Rocky from Savage Disney Pins. I would love them to do all of these videos because I feel like they have such a great collection, but I can't wait to see what they pick out for September. I am also going to tag Park Pioneer. They also have an awesome collection of Disney pins and maybe a little bit different pins than some of the other channels that I've tagged before because they are from the UK. So I can't wait to see what you guys pick out. I am also going to tag Amanda Hyde from the Hydes Do Disney. I can't wait to see what pins you pick out for this tag. I am also going to tag Day Tripping Disney. They have some awesome pins and I can't wait to see what they pick out for September. And finally, I'm going to tag Life Joyfully Done. I can't wait to see what you guys pick out. And as always, my tried and true, my two channels who've done it all, Courtney and Elena, I'm also tagging you guys. And if you want to see all of the channels below that I have tagged, I will have links to their channels so you can watch their September monthly pin tag video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, comment below, tell me what was your favorite pin that I showed today. And if you enjoyed our video, I would love if you would consider subscribing to our channel. We do pin videos, in-park videos, Disney talk, and we also vlog our life in a weekly video. So if you want to see more, give us a sub. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And as always, peace, love, and kwaherini.